Hey there, since we've had a lot of rain recently, I thought it was a good idea to talk about some of the benefits of viewing a home during a rainy day versus a clear and sunny day where everything looks great and you may not be able to see some of the issues and faults as you would on a rainy day. So for example, if you take a look at the eavesdrops and the downspouts, are they draining properly or are they overflowing over the top of the eavesdrops? With the downspout, is the water being discharged far enough away from the house so it's not getting back into the foundation? If you walk around the perimeter of the house, are you seeing pooling of water? If so, that may be a grading issue and it may need to be addressed to slope away from the house so the water doesn't get inside the house. And if you do see water pooling, it's a good idea to follow it into behind the wall of where you see the water and see if there's any indication of moisture there. So I think there's some really good benefits to viewing a home during a rainy day. It's not always the most fun and it's not always the most exciting because it doesn't present itself as pretty as it would on a clear and sunny day, but I think there is definitely some advantages, and I really do like to see a home on a rainy day, and it gives me an indication of some potential issues that may come up down the road. So hope this was helpful. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.